Incessant rains wreak havoc in Bishnupur district. Many places remain inundated. All vehicles remain off-road along National Highway 37 and Tongjai-Maril Road due to the ongoing indefinite shutdown called by RNCM NTL. And Modi government allocates 18 crore rupees for promotion of Manipuri language and Meitei Mayek. Hello, you're watching IS Primetime English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinam giving you the news in detail. Incessant rains lashed various places in the state, including Bishnupur district, since last night. Many places have remained flooded, while the road connectivity have remained cut off at various places. The flood-affected areas are Ningthaukong, Bishnupur, Thinungai, Khoijuman Kulen, and Nacho, among others. The main road at Singjamai Waikhom Laikai Makha and the road near Kakwa Oil Pump in Imphal West District have also remained inundated by flood water. On the other hand, the main road at ICICI Bank New Chekon, Hata Road and Konung Mamang have also been flooded. Notably, these places have been experiencing flash floods for a very long time. Meanwhile, all vehicular movements have been banned along Yairipok, Changamdabi, Malom, Jalianbi and Haitroi Pokpi Unity Bridge as the water level of Thobal River is rising gradually. Heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely at isolated places over Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura, among others. On the other hand, due to the incessant rains, landslides and mudslides occurred between K. Sinam and Sejang village under the jurisdiction of Kangpokpi district along National Highway 37. Excavator and machinery drivers have been feeling apprehension to move out for clearing the debris due to an ongoing burn along this route. A massive landslide occurred at Awangkul area of Noni district along the National Highway. According to reports, clearing the mud debris is going to take some time. Vehicle movement has come to a standstill along National Highway 37 and Tongjai-Maril Road due to an indefinite ban called by Rongmei Naga Council Manipur NTL Foothills. The total shutdown, which began at midnight on August 18, has led to widespread disruptions as Ban supporters have blocked roads by felling trees, placing boulders and burning tires. The shutdown is aimed at demanding an alternative administrative arrangement for Noni district's minority Naga tribes, who are reportedly facing difficulties accessing their district headquarters due to the current administrative setup. The protest has caused all types of vehicles to cease operations on National Highway 37, which connects Imphal, Jiri, and on Tongjai-Maril Road, which links Bishnupur to Khaupum and Rengpang. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh thanked Prime Minister Narendra Modi for giving due recognition to Manipuri language and its script by allocating a funding of 18 crore rupees as first installment for their conservation and promotion. Singh also thanked Rajya Sabha MP Maharaja Sanajau Semba for his continued efforts to elevate the status of Manipuri as a classical language. Singh said that besides the promotion of Meitei Loan, the state government has been putting efforts to protect the tribal dialects spoken in the state with various courses, activities and programs. Maharaja Sanajau Semba took to microblogging site X and posted that Modi government has allocated 18 crore rupees as first installment to promote Manipuri language and script, recognizing the use of this language and script more than 2,000 years in the royal chronicles. Positively, the language is approaching very near to achieve classical language status. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today announced a significant development in the state's efforts to support internally displaced persons, IDPs. Women residing in the relief camp at Laimaram Government High School have received essential yarn supplies following an earlier distribution of weaving looms and related materials. These initiatives mark a crucial step in the government's strategy to enable self-reliance among those affected by recent conflicts in the state. Chief Minister Singh emphasized the importance of this program in a statement on social media, highlighting its role in rebuilding lives and fostering economic independence. The Chief Minister said he was glad to see that the women of the relief camp at Laimaram Government High School have received the necessary yarn following the distribution of weaving looms and other essential materials. He added that the initiative was a vital step towards providing them with the means to rebuild their lives and achieve self-reliance. The yarn distribution is part of a broader effort to revitalize Manipur's traditional textile industry, while addressing the immediate needs of displaced communities. The state government has implemented several schemes to support this goal, including the CM Yarn Scheme and the Muga Silk Buyback Initiative. The Chief Minister also added that through several schemes such as the CM Yarn Scheme and the Muga Silk Buyback Initiative, the state government is working tirelessly to create employment opportunities and empower the people of Manipur. Meanwhile, the Manipur Human Rights Commission MHRC Chief Justice U.B. Shah, who had planned to hold meeting with government's official and civil society organizations in None, has cancelled his trip due to burn and landslides along National Highway 37 Imphal-Jiribam Road. The MHRC chairperson, along with his official team, accompanied by DIG Range 4 Ningshen Warngam, were en route to None. However, the team had to stop at Konglong Part 2 village due to burn enforced by Rongmei Naga Council, Manipur, demanding an alternative administrative arrangement for the None district's minority Naga communities. The protesters who blocked the road informed that they are facing tremendous difficulties accessing their district headquarters as they have to visit Kangpokpi district, which is far away from their village, rather than None district, which is much closer to their village. Respecting their right to protest, raising their legitimate demands, the MHRC team returned back to Imphal, and en route to Imphal, the MHRC team inspected Patsoi police station in Imphal West district. The MHRC chairperson advised the protesters to assert their grievances, if any, to the appropriate redressal forum. At Patsoi police station, MHRC team found that 537 cases are pending for investigation, including those cases which were registered way back in 1999. On learning of the cases pending at the police station, MHRC chairperson has spoken to IGP John Won, asking him to look after the pending cases so that the police could expedite the investigation to arrive in a logical conclusion. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Kaisham Meghachandra issued a statement questioning the Modi government regarding the retracted NEC Vision Document 2047. While stating that Manipur was wrongly referred as Chin State of Manipur, he asks as to where the Chin State of Manipur is located. He asserted that Prime Minister Modi should officially issue a statement stating that there will be no creation of Chin state out of the map of Manipur and the territorial integrity of the state of Manipur will remain intact. He also asks as to who the Chin state of Manipur was created by in the draft of Vision India 2047 document of North-East Council. He accused the Modi government of adding fuel to the already burning Manipur for the last 15 months. He wanted to know if this was the effort for bringing peace and normalcy in Manipur by Prime Minister Modi. The vision document was withdrawn by the North-Eastern Council (NEC) after the intervention of Chief Minister N. Biren, who pointed out a factual error in the vision document. The NEC retracted its draft Vision 2047 document after it erroneously referred to Manipur as a Chin state of Manipur. The mistake was identified in Chapter 3, which discussed the migration of ethnic tribes in the Northeast region, inaccurately describing the Kukis as originating from this non-existent Chin state. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, upon discovering the error, communicated with Union Minister for Communications and Development of North-Eastern Region, J.M. Scindia, and directed Chief Secretary Dr. Vinit Joshi to ensure corrections were made. Following the Chief Minister's intervention, the Ministry of Development of North-Eastern Region acted, retracting the draft for revisions. Planning Advisor Som Kamai issued a statement confirming the withdrawal of the document, which had been circulated on August 9 and 17 this year. The draft is now under review to correct the inaccuracies before any further dissemination. Tripura is set to host a crucial North-East Council NEC meeting on August 31st and September 1st, marking a significant shift from previous years, when such gatherings were typically held in Assam or Meghalaya. Chief Minister Manik Shah announced the event, emphasizing its importance for the region. Manik Shah said it was a significant moment as the NEC meeting would be held in Tripura. This time, 6 chief ministers and 6 governors of the northeastern states, along with Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Donor Minister Jyotir Aditya Scindia, will attend the event. The high-profile gathering aims to address pressing issues facing Tripura and the broader Northeast, including broader concerns and developmental challenges. Manik Shah highlighted the opportunity to showcase Tripura's innovative initiatives and foster interstate cooperation. Preparations are underway to accommodate the influx of delegates, with Manik Shah personally overseeing arrangements through a review meeting. Manipur police successfully detained 3 KCP Nongdren Khomba cadres in Kori Arcade, Yangthang in Imphal West on August 17. The arrested individuals, namely Sanju Wahengbam, aged 20 years, Soibam Manoj Singh, aged 27 years, and Soibam Lanchenba Maitai, aged 24 years, were reportedly involved in extortion activities. In the operation, law enforcement officials seized several items from the accused, including 3 mobile handsets, a 4-wheeler vehicle, and a sum of 50,110 rupees in cash. A joint operation by the Indian Army, Assam Rifles, and Manipur Police led to the recovery of a significant cache of arms, ammunition, and explosives in 2 militant hideouts across the state yesterday. Security forces conducted raids in Mission Vang, Kangpokpi District, and Uyokching, Lairongthel, Pitra Hills in Thobal District based on specific intelligence. Encountering heavy resistance, militants fled the scene before the security forces could apprehend them. The recovered arsenal includes a 12-bore single-barrel gun, a 9mm pistol, a .32 pistol, 2 tube launchers, Mk3A2 grenade, 2 detonators, 6 HE-36 hand grenades, 3 arming rings, 2 Chinese hand grenades, 65 live ammunition rounds, 5 tear smoke shells, a stun grenade, a helmet, a walkie-talkie, a 7.62 mm SLR with magazine, a bolt-action rifle, and two 12-inch single-bore barrel guns. The seized materials have been handed over to Manipur police for further investigation. Meanwhile, movement of 158 and 40 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively with essential items have been ensured. Strict security measures were taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy was provided in sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 104 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hill and the valley, and police detained 246 persons in connection with violations in different districts of the state. The alert troops of the 4th Battalion BSF foiled a massive smuggling beat and seized cosmetics and clothing items worth 58 lakh rupees while being smuggled to Bangladesh from the international border of East Khasi Hills district. The consignments were seized by vigilant troops of BSF Meghalaya when the smugglers were trying to smuggle it into Bangladesh. However, on being challenged by BSF, miscreants fled away from the spot by taking advantage of severe weather conditions and darkness. The seized items were handed over to the Custom Office for further action. In another operation, troops from the 110th Battalion of BSF Meghalaya successfully seized 2 Bangladeshi wooden boats and 4 Bangladeshi steel boats from Shela River, while Bangladeshi smugglers attempted to cross into Indian territories to steal and extract gravel and stones. Manipuri film Lembi Leima has been officially selected as the finalist at the 4th The Empty Space International Short Film Festival, Pune. The final event will be held this September. The star cast of the film, directed by Mayang Pratap Singh, is Balahizam Ningthaujam. The film is produced by Bijou Thangjam under the Cicada Film Production. It already has 45 awards and 15 nominations from national and international film festivals. Also, the film Children's Social Awareness Campaign, ORAYU, Send One More Child Back to School, has also got into the finalists at the Chennai World Film Festival, which to be held on 4th October. The film is directed by Nauton and produced by Bijou Thangjam. The film already won multiple awards. Through the film, more than 100 children from IDPs are able to get back to school. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Ukraine, the Indian Foreign Ministry said on Monday, his first trip to the war-torn country since its conflict with Russia in about a month after he met President Vladimir Putin in Moscow. Western capitals have imposed sanctions on Moscow following its invasion of Ukraine in 2022, but friendly nations such as India and China have continued to trade with it. India has refrained from directly blaming Russia for what Moscow calls a special military operation while urging the neighbors to resolve the conflict through dialogue and diplomacy. The US has raised concerns over India's relationship with Russia, especially at a time when Washington has been seeking to strengthen ties with New Delhi as a potential counterweight to an ascendant China. Before we end, the headlines once again. Incessant rains wreak havoc in Bishnupur district. Many places remain inundated. All vehicles remain off-road along National Highway 37 and Tongje Maril Road due to the ongoing indefinite shutdown called by RNCM NTL. And Modi government allocates 18 crore rupees for promotion of Manipuri language and Meitei Maying. That's all we have in this bulletin. Next we have IS Primetime Manipuri News at 9 p.m. Till then, good night.